Builder.io is a visual content-first editor built to inject editable design-driven pages into existing sites and apps with strong commerce and CMS integrations, while Flutterflow is a no-code, low-code app builder that generates Flutter code and targets full app development from UI to backend connections. You pick Builder.io when you need pixel control, content workflows, and seamless CMS to site updates. Pick Flutterflow when you want exportable, developer-friendly code and a faster path to non-native, mobile, or web app. Builder.io wins for marketing and design teams who need live editable content with integrations. Flutterflow wins for product teams that expect to hand off readable code to engineers or ship cross-platform apps quickly. Implement the same screen and a small data flow in both, then compare time to edit, code cleanliness, and handoff friction. You choose the platform that matches whether you value editable content, workflows, or production-ready app code.